Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking, Are You Listening? Beneath your feet lies one of the most astonishing systems in nature. Mycorrhiza fungi attached to tree roots extend through the soil as internet cables. One tree connects to dozens. Warning signals move through these pathways. Insects attack one tree and sends chemical messages warning others. Imagine that. The forest is capable of warning itself. Scientists once believed competition alone drove evolution. But forests reveal another truth. Cooperation is survival, not weakness, not idealism. Biological strategy. Forests do not erase individuality. Oaks remain oaks, pines remain pines, aspen remain aspen. Collaboration does not require sameness. It requires participation. Humanity struggles with this lesson. We believe connection means losing identity, but forests show the opposite. Diversity strengthens networks. Different species contribute abilities. Some stabilize soil. Some store more water. Some provide shade and cooling. Together, they create resilience that no single organism can achieve alone. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future episodes.